Are you making the video right now?
Yep. Hey guys. No.
Zach.
Yeah, I'm doing it.
Zach, I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm just saying I can't hear you when you're making YouTube videos. I don't know if you can hear me. I'm just saying I can never hear you when you're making YouTube videos, so don't get mad if I'm
Yeah. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We're playing Hypersoft today. I'm gonna cook. I'll cook.
ready, Zach?
I'll cook.
The whole fucking thing has both one way.
Let's do this.
What's the fuck? You know, okay?
Let's do this.
Okay. What's up?
Who's that here? Oh,
It's the phone.
over here. Oh, everybody got
Back in the room. Hey!
This wasn't good.
You know, please.
This wasn't how long ago. I only know when guys.
Oh, hi there, little buddy. Oh, hi. You got a haircut. Okay, hello.
That's really a four. Oh my god. That's here's the two. Seriously.
What is this?
Oh, that's a headshot.
I'm going to kill people to stick in things that hurt.
I'm the guy that headshot
Yeah,
you.
me, but I just want to you want
Hey, we're back.
Holy shit! Well, how do you working with these stupid things that hurt?
Hey, boy. Oh, Jesus Christ. There's something behind me. Okay, I'm gonna kill myself. Oh my god. Give me like a... Stop only rain people. Good morning, bacon head. 4 kills. That's not bad. Yes, so. Yeah, 5. How did I not kill him? Oh my god. It's good. Did you just do that? That was crazy. Oh, fuck you. Look at little kids behind you. Little kids should not be doing that. Oh my god. Flip this guy. Let's seriously. This kid, he's just behind me. That's 4 kills. I already joined anyway.
What we voted?
Yeah, that map is the best. Let's go. That's not getting pissed. Oh, let's go. I'm gonna go. Go. Yes, fine. Wait. Flip you. Oh, this little kid. How did you get free? kid. Boy, little kid. Shit. Flip all across that. Then mine. This is his. He's little kid. Oh my god. This is real. Now, boys, be on some cooking. I'll be back in a 1